Just left the Wyndham Magistrates Court for a infringements application. There was several outstanding warrants and a massive amount of fines, and it was to the extent of $120,000 in fines that had been accumulated over a 15-year period. We're talking about mostly toll fines here though, 95% plus. The reason why this particular matter stands out is that it was a great illustration of how different magistrates come to the same decisions but through different methods. You never know what to expect when you go to a magistrate's court because every magistrate has their own personality. The more quirky a magistrate might be, the less expected the method to get to the result. We appeared for this kind of matter and the magistrate was incredibly, one of the most compassionate magistrates I've ever been before in Victoria, and my client was asked to give evidence in the witness box about his life history because the application was under special circumstances. There were of course special reasons, including say mental health issues, family violence, drug use, that contributed to the increasing fines, and he gave some incredibly compelling and genuine evidence, and it was one of the more difficult things to hear in the court system. He had a very difficult childhood and upbringing, and it often goes to show that many times the reason why people find themselves not just in situations as criminal offenders but also when they have very difficult financial issues to deal with is because of deep-rooted issues in their childhood. The magistrate was convinced that there were special circumstances and that sending him to prison would be unduly harsh, and she completely discharged the entire amount. That's $120,000 wiped, and the best result that my client could have hoped for.